Prakash Tiwari, an Associate Professor of Electrical Engineering at IIT Jodhpur. I am recipient of Sir Visvesvaraya Young Faculty Research Fellowship. At IIT Jodhpur, I lead a research group named Flexible Large Area Microelectronics, which is called FLAME. This group works on various technological aspects of flexible electronic devices with support of this YFRF fellowship. In fact, YFRF fellowship has been a tremendous help for a young researcher like me to put my ideas for exploration, and in the same process, a lot of good work has been done. One of the recent devices which were based on biodegradable gelatin, they actually worked as real-time breath rate analyzers, and this will find certainly a lot of applications towards smart and green electronics. So for all this great help and support, I would like to thank and acknowledge Visvesvaraya PhD scheme, Digital India Corporation, and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Suniti Dutt, and I did my PhD from University Institute of Engineering and Technology at Punjab University, Chandigarh, under the prestigious Visvesvaraya PhD scheme for Electronics and IT. My domain area was electronics, wherein I worked under the domain of wireless sensor networks. This particular scheme of Visvesvaraya PhD has helped me a lot because, for the obvious reasons of the funding, and it was able to provide all of us with a conducive environment towards the research, because we were able to have our own workstations, we were able to have our own high computing PCs with the help of the funding that was provided by Visvesvaraya. So, added along with that, we were also allowed to indulge ourselves in the regular theory classes of the graduation and undergraduation courses. So we were benefited a lot by this also. Apart from that, we timely came in contact with a lot of different research scholars from all over the India, and it widened our horizon when we were just made familiarized with their ideas, with their methodologies, how they were doing, right? Specifically talking about the research areas, the different funding it provided us for our own conferences and journals was also a great help. So I would, just like to thank the Government of India, the mighty, the DIC, the Visvesvaraya PhD scheme, for giving us this opportunity to be a part of this particular scheme. Thank you so much.
I am a Visvesvaraya YFRF awardee. My areas of research are machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, bioinformatics, etc. Visvesvaraya PhD scheme has helped me in conducting my research, which has several societal applications like in mental health, disaster management, conversational agent, summarization, cancer prediction, etc. I have purchased several computational resources which are useful for my research through YFRF Contingency Fund. The PhD students supported by Visvesvaraya PhD schema worked in the area of protein-protein interaction, which has several applications in drug discovery. YFRF schema also helped me in attending several international conferences, and by which I have enhanced my knowledge. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to PhD schema, Digital India Corporation, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India for all their supports.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Hitesh Shrimali, an Associate Professor at the School of Computing and Electrical Engineering, IIT Mandi. From IIT Mandi, I am a Nodal Officer as well as YFRF awardee. Under the PhD scheme, there are 15 students who were enrolled in the various field of electronics for PhD. The outcome of the scheme was excellent in terms of international publications and patents. Using the scheme and YFRF funding, we were able to tap out our ideas in the form of chips as shown in the experimental setup at the back. In the past 5 years of time, we have designed 3 chips from IMEC Belgium and SCL Mohali. Our students have worked on various applications of space, biomedical, subscalar processor design and SIPN. Moreover, the graduate students got offers from various reputed places like National Brain Research Center, Intel Bangalore, and postdoc positions at US and UK. For all the possible achievements, I would like to thank Digital India Corporation, PhD scheme, and my team. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Harsh Vasim, PhD Fellow, Jawaharlal Nehru University. I'm working on the conversion prediction of mild cognitive impairments. I was awarded Visvesvaraya Fellowship, and I've been able to develop 4 models. One of my papers has been published in PMC Medical Informatics. I'm going to present 2 papers in a conference in Singapore later this month, and 2 of my papers are under review. I've been able to achieve all this because of this fellowship, for which I'm thankful to the IIT and MIT. I hope my work will help the people for the earlier detection of mild cognitive impairments and Alzheimer's. Thanks a lot.
Hi all, I'm Simi Mary Kurian, Research Scholar, Karna Institute of Technology and Science, Coimbatore. I'm proud that I'm a Visvesvaraya Scholarship holder and I thank to the authorities for the support. I strongly believe that this type of scholarship will boost the research culture in engineering field and it will help the engineers to come out with socially relevant and sustainable engineering solutions. I would like to say thanks to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Digital India Corporations for this venture. I wish all the engineers a fruitful year ahead. Thank you all.